Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the One Belmont building. So we are in New Kingston and we are on Oxford Road, but at that stoplight is Belmont Road, and that's where this building is located. Now this is a 9-story building, but it is a massive building, huge. So we're going to give you guys an update as to what's going on with it. And I must say, this building is moving along very quickly. And it's actually just across the road from the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors and the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. So this one we're looking at though, and that one has reached though, One Belmont, which is what we're looking at, has reached 9 floors. So that is the height of the building. It's not going any higher. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the building from another angle so you can see just how big it is. And it's a commercial building. It's office space. And somebody had asked or mentioned in a comment that, you know, who is renting all these buildings that are going to have excess space? But I don't think so, because the call center industry in Jamaica is booming. And just to give you an example, there are 2 buildings that are under construction for call centers. One is at 58 Halfway Tree Road, and it's 10 floors, and all 10 floors have been booked out for by BPOs, and the building has not finished yet. It has not even reached halfway. And the Usain Bolt building that's being built in front of Andrews Hospital on Old Hope Road, it's fully booked out. That one is, I think, is 10 floors. It's fully booked out and they have not even finished the building yet. So there is definitely need for space in Jamaica, and that's just 2 buildings. So I don't think it will be a case where you don't have persons to rent the building. All right, we're gonna go outside and give you guys a tour. Okay, this is give you guys a better idea of just how massive this building is. This is just one side. We're going to go to another where you can get another angle of the building basically. And there you can see all the information on it: signals, real estate, finance. Oh, here you can see what the building is going to look like when it's finished. But I haven't heard of this one being used for call centers. This one is, well, let us say commercial, and because of where it's located in New Kingston, it's definitely in a commercial area. And since we're talking about call centers, you know, they're building a building in Montego Bay, 28 floors. They're going to build 4 towers at 28 floors, and that one will be used. It's going to be a mixed-use building, and some of the floors will be for call centers. So the BPO industry in Jamaica is booming. This one, as we said, this building is moving very fast. Looks like from the sign, well, it is Chinese contractors that are doing it. We know that the Chinese contractors work very well on the roads. And I've noticed they're doing a few of these high-rise buildings. I don't think they're doing all of them, but we'll definitely look into it to see if it's China Harbor Engineering Company doing these buildings or just another Chinese company. But quite a few, even in Draxall, they have quite a few Chinese persons doing the construction of the buildings down there. Because when you look at the gate, you can see the Chinese words basically, or the name of the companies on some of the building outside of the construction site, and it's definitely a Chinese company. Alright, so that is one Belmont coming along nicely. I don't think it's going to be finished by the end of this year, but it's definitely moving along. They have reached the height of the building at 9 floors. And this is one of many buildings in New Kingston. As we said at the beginning of the video, literally across the road at Oxford Road, they're building the Ascent, 27 floors. There is another building going up on Haining Road, which is right the road parallel to the one we're on. And that one is 6 floors, another commercial building. So there is a lot of progress going on in Jamaica. Alright, we're going to give you another view of the Belmont, and that will give you an idea of just how massive this building is. Even though it's just 9 floors, it is a massive building. So okay, we're actually going on to Haining Road now, so you can see the other building. There you go, that's the other building we're talking about. This one doesn't have a name yet, or that we are aware of. It's another commercial building, that's it on the right. And then now over on the left you can see the one Belmont building. Somebody had asked about a printwear building. I mean, there's a sign right here that says printwear, but I don't see any indication of a building being built on that property because there's a structure there that seems to be used. Alright, so this will give you a very good idea of just how massive this building is. Oh, the picture we looked at, actually, this is the front of the building we're looking at now. The picture of the finished building, you can definitely see it take form from this side. So this is the front of the building. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.